Good morning, children. Today let us see exercise 5.2, question number 8, page number 110. Complete the following table with appropriate entries wherever given. See, children, here red color sketch what I have written total it is question, and blue color sketch what I have written it is total answer. Okay, and in this tabular form we are having total 5 questions in which cost prices and expenses are given. Total cost price is not given. I only wrote this heading total cost price. So let us see the table. Complete the following table with appropriate entries wherever possible. Wherever empty space is there, we should fill the answer. So here cost price is given in the first question, 750 rupees. Expenses are 50 rupees. So what is total cost price? 750 plus 50. 750 plus 50 is 800. We should find here selling price. Selling price is not given here, but profit is given. So here by using profit and cost price, we can find selling price. Selling price equals to cost price plus profit. Cost price is how much? 800 and profit is 80. 800 plus 80 is 888 rupees is the selling price. And how to find profit percent here? Profit percent equals to profit by cost price into 100. Profit is how much? 80 rupees. Cost price is how much? 800 rupees. So here 80 by 800 into 100. 0 0 gets cancelled, 0 0 gets cancelled. So here what is remaining? 8 1 ja 8, 8 10 ja 80. So profit percent is 10%. With this first problem completed, let us see second problem. In second problem, cost price is given 4500, expenses is how much? 500. So here 4500 plus 500 is total cost price. Total cost price is how much? 5000 rupees. And what is given? Loss is given. Loss is how many rupees? 1000 rupees. Now we should find selling price as well as loss percent. So here by using cost price and loss, we can find selling price. Selling price equals to cost price minus how much? Loss. So here cost price minus loss. Cost price is how much? 5000. Loss is 1000. 5000 minus 1000 is 4000. How to find loss percent? See, loss percent equals to loss by cost price into 100. Loss is how much? 1000 rupees and cost price is how much? 5000. 1000 by 5000 into 100. See here, children, 3 zeros and 3 zeros gets cancelled. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10 and 0. So here loss percent is 20%. Coming to third problem. In third problem, cost price is how much? 46,000 and expenses 4,000. If you take expenses, it may be charges also. Okay. 4,600 plus 4,000 is how much? 50,000 is the cost price. Here selling price also given, it is 60,000 rupees is the selling price. We should find here profit. To get profit, how to find profit? Profit is selling price minus cost price. In selling price is greater than cost price. So here what you will get? 60,000 minus 50,000 is 10,000. 10,000 is profit. So here profit percent. Profit percent is profit by cost price into 100. Profit is how much? 10,000. By cost price is how much? 50,000 into 100. So here all zeros gets cancelled. 5 1 ja 520 is 100. 20% is a profit percent. When we are getting profit, we will not get loss. So this is the line, and when we got profit percent, there is no loss percent. Okay. Now let us see fourth problem. In fourth problem, cost price is 300 rupees and expenses on it is 50 rupees. Total cost price is how much? 350 rupees. Selling price equals to cost price plus profit. Cost price is how much? 350 and profit is given here. Profit we should find. How we got profit? Let us see. Here profit percent is given. Profit equals to profit percent into cost price by 100. Profit is how much? 12 into cost price is how much? 350 by 100. See, cancellation ma 0 0 gets cancelled. And here 2 6 ja 12, 2 5 ja 10. 5 1 ja 5, 5 7 ja 35. 6 7 ja 42. 42 is the profit. So by using profit, by adding cost price and profit, cost price is how much? 350 plus 42. 350 plus 42 is 392. 392 is selling price. 392 it is rupees. All numbers which are written at last that are in rupees. Now let us see fifth problem. In fifth problem, cost price is 330 rupees. Expenses is 20 rupees. Total cost price is 330 plus 20 is 350 rupees. Next is what we should find selling price. Selling price equals to cost price minus loss. See here, cost price is how much we got, 350, and loss we don't know. We should find here. Loss equals to loss percent into cost price by 100. Loss percent already it is given 10. 10 into cost price is how much, 350 by 100. 0, 0 gets cancelled and 0, 0 gets cancelled. Loss is 35 rupees. So here selling price equals to cost price minus loss. Cost price is how much, 350. Minus loss is how much, 35. 350 minus 35 is 315 rupees. So selling price is 315 rupees. With this we have completed this problem.